Hi, thank you for your interest in the model 10MT24-2.2. This ramp is intended for truck-to-ground applications on almost any ground conditions. The ramp is 90 inches wide with an 87-inch usable width and approximately 35 feet 2 inches long. This ramp has 8-foot level off for easy trailer access. The adjustable height is 39 inches to 58 inches, and it has a capacity of 24,000 pounds. According to OSHA standards, your ramp must be 3 to 4 times the maximum lifting capacity of your forklift. Meaning if you have a 5,000 pound forklift, you need at least a 15,000 pound capacity ramp, but a 20,000 pound capacity ramp would be preferred. The 10MT24-2.2 has an optional forklift attachment that helps make this extremely easy to move around your facility. The 10MT24-2.2 has a removable rail system. It comes apart in 4 sections, making it extremely easy for somebody to assist the primary loader or unloader with a side loading capabilities. The 10MT24-2.2 is our most popular model, and with all the features it makes it very clear as to why. This would be a great addition to any business. Please contact us for more information or check out our website at TBC-Ramps.com.